let's face it, LS is kind of boring. So even if you do a long listing, I mean, it's still kind of boring because, well, so remember in my previous video I talked about fish and how it has so much color and all? Well, yeah, I feel like LS kind of breaks that trend. So instead, the solution is EXA. So you can quickly install it from, you can install it for Arch. And it's pretty nice. For example, we can if your figures are just really want to type LS, then what you can do is you can go into your fish config and simply add an alias. So you can do alias like this. So alias ls to exa and -l and then dash icons. So basically, if you have nerd fonts installed, like a font called nerd fonts, you can even use icons as well. So let's try it. Let's close this. Launch a new terminal. Make it launch nice and big. LS, and there you go. This is basically EXA. So I mean, you can see there's a pretty big difference. I mean, so EXA has a lot of more color than the standard LS, and also the some nice icons as well. So yeah, that was just a quick video talking about EXA as a replacement for LS. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you next time, guys.